In this category, you will learn all the techniques that I use to teach horses how to safely and confidently load onto a trailer. Trailer loading can be problematic and stressful for both horses and people, so it's really important that you teach your horse all the essential prerequisite skill sets before introducing them to a trailer. In this category, I explain what all these prerequisite skills are and also explain the step-by-step techniques that I use to teach a horse to trailer load with confidence. It is important that you understand the driveline and how you can influence the driveline. In the videos, I explain how to influence your horse's driveline when communicating with your horse to load them onto the trailer. It is also extremely important to learn how to read each horse's thresholds using approach and retreat. In the videos, I explain the exact techniques that I use, but also stress the importance of the timing so your horse builds confidence in the trailer loading process. All these trailer loading techniques and skill sets have worked for me for many years, and I hope they help to teach your horse to load and travel confidently on the trailer for the rest of their life. Trailer loading done this way can really strengthen the bond and relationship between you and your horse. It can also build your assertive leadership skills and help develop much clearer communication with your horse. Trailer loading will also build your horse's trust and confidence in you as a partner and learn how to cope better in our human world. Remember, there are no quick fixes. Teaching a horse to load into a trailer is a process that takes knowledge, skills, time, and patience.